Imagine school is a predictable video game. To defeat the final boss, a standard academic test, you generally rely on one primary stat: studying. You memorize the material, cast the right answers, and you win. But the moment you step outside the classroom, the environment becomes messy. Suddenly, you have to untangle complicated drama with a friend, figure out how to start a daunting project from scratch, or process a sudden, overwhelming wave of stress. Memorizing facts and formulas can't solve those problems. Doing well in the unpredictable reality of adulthood requires a separate set of abilities that you have to grow through experience. This map represents the essential skill tree, organizing the abilities you need to navigate the world. From the center, it divides into 3 paths: brain power for your intellect, people power for social dynamics, and inner power for managing yourself. These branches don't fill out on their own. You have to take part in real-world challenges and see what works to gain progress. We begin on the blue path, brain power. This branch covers how you process information and adapt when things change. The first skill is thinking smart. When you encounter a wild rumor online, this is what prompts you to pause, ask why, and demand real evidence before believing it. Next is being creative. Innovation requires getting past the fear of the blank page. It means letting yourself brainstorm 10 terrible ideas just to find the one brilliant one. Then comes solving problems. A massive obstacle can feel impossible to overcome, but if you treat it like a deep pitcher of water, you can reach the top by dropping in tiny, actionable steps one by one. Finally, making decisions. You won't always know the perfect path forward. You have to trust your internal compass and take a step anyway, because even a poor choice gives you the data you need for next time. Brain power isn't about how many facts you know. It's about having a toolkit to logically and creatively find your way through uncertainty. Once your mind is sharp, you move to the red path, people power. This shifts the focus from yourself to your social connections and teamwork. This is the philosopher Socrates. He suggested a rule for communication that works for both talking in person and posting online. Before you speak, run your words through 3 filters. Is the information true? Is it good? And is it actually necessary? Connecting with others is about building trust. A single, isolated person can break easily under pressure, but a diverse group bound together by trust is much harder to stop. To maintain those bonds, you need empathy. That means taking a moment to imagine the hidden struggles someone else is going through and validating their emotions before judging them. People power allows isolated individuals to become a resilient community that can handle big challenges together. None of those outward skills work if you don't secure your foundation. That brings us to the green path, inner power, which is all about emotional intelligence. Knowing yourself means recognizing a daily battle inside your mind between your best impulses, like kindness, and your worst, like anger. The values you live by are the ones you choose to feed every day. You also must learn to handle stress. If you try to hold on to a heavy glass of anxiety all day long, you eventually become paralyzed. You have to consciously choose to put that weight down and rest. And you have to manage those intense emotions. Reacting out of pure anger is like driving nails into a fence. Even if you apologize and pull them out later, the holes and the permanent damage remain. Inner power is the ground that every other skill grows from. If you are paralyzed by stress or lashing out at others, you can't actually use your creativity or lead a team effectively. This master checklist summarizes the 10 core abilities that allow you to handle the issues encountered in daily life. As these students practice together, they treat these skills like muscles. Nobody is born fully developed. You build them through repetition and learning from mistakes. When you learn to check facts, listen to others, and manage your reactions, you are doing more than just achieving personal goals. You are becoming the kind of informed, responsible person a community needs to function well. Growing your skill tree makes you a better teammate at work and gives you the tools to help solve problems that are bigger than yourself. Look at the real-world obstacles standing in your way today. Which specific branch of your tree are you going to focus on first?